Software engineering, third semester CSC. Dear student, today we discuss system analysis and system design. First of all, we discuss system analysis. What is analysis? Analysis means we have to analyze the problem situation. We have to analyze the problem situation. A collection of notations, methodology. Methodology means method. Methodology and set of tools that are used to collect details and analyze a problem situation before designing and implementing a system. यानी कि before implementing or designing a system, we have to analyze the problem situation by using some method or by some tools or by some notations. System analysis have some basic points. First point is we have a problem statement. After the analysis, we have a problem statement which tells the what is the actual problem. Second point is for communication between the user and designer. System analysis is used for the communication between the user and designer. Third point is to support system evolution. To support system evolution means system is evolution in nature. It is always changing. Number 4, to support design validation. Design validation. Validation means we have input and output format or values. These are the validation. Means the input can take some value and output give some value. These are the validation. So the output of a system analysis is the requirement definition. The output of the system analysis is a requirement definition. Means we have a problem statement, after it we have a requirement definition. Means what we have required. Second is a system design. System design is formal specification of the system to be built. जो हमें सिस्टम चाहिए उसकी क्या स्पेसिफिकेशन होगी. What are the formal specification of the system to be built. We have two types of the configuration. First is hardware configuration and second is software configuration. First one is a hardware configuration. Hardware configuration is a requirement of a hardware devices to platforms. Means what is the requirement of a RAM? What is the requirement of a processor? What is the requirement of a hard disk? Second is software configuration. Means what is the requirement of a software so that we can make a system. Means we have required MS Office, what type of database and what type of language. Means if we have a Java, PHP, or we have a Python language. So software requirement of a two environment may be totally different. Means if we have it more than two environment, then software requirement of both are totally different. So next come the SDLC. It is a very important question. SDLC full form is System Development Life Cycle. What is SDLC? SDLC is method or cycle. SDLC is method or cycle for creating information system. Means SDLC is a cycle which is continuously running for the information system. SDLC has system of stages or study of stages or phases. Means if we have a first phase, second phase, third phase and fourth phase. Means study of the stages or phases of the SDLC called system study. System study. SDLC is a software process by which software system is developed, tested, installed, maintained throughout useful history. SDLC is a software process by which a software is developed, then tested, then installed, then maintained throughout the useful history. SDLC is conducted in various phases. We have a various type of phases, and each phase is not isolated. Means if this phase is dependent upon the first phase, third is dependent upon the second phase. Means all the phases are interconnected and not isolated and overlap. Means phases can be overlap. SDLC has 6 phases. SDLC